You know, most times I like to just keep it simple. Know what I'm saying? Shit. Alright, let's get it. I think we're gonna have a wonderful time, and I haven't felt like this in a while.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm now at the Yogyakarta International Airport. It's a new airport that being used for almost, I think it's 90% of the transport flight to Yogyakarta. The distance from this airport is far away than the old airport. Is approximately 1 to 2 hours drive. I think one and a half drive or 2 hours, depends on the traffics. In this vlog, I'm going to show you around. I just passed the security check, and we are going to walk to the gate. I'm going to turn around the camera to let you know. So we are going to walk to the gate, and approximately, I think about 1 month ago, we also in this airport. They were busy to install this light poles. The airport is really big. It's not yet finished, but it seems that they managed to install these light features. So we are going to walk. From here you can see the first shop. They didn't have this one last month. They just opened it in 1 month, and to my surprise, they also have more shops opened within a month. Let's walk to the place. Quite long walk. It's quite busy airport. I prefer to use the old airport. It's smaller but less convenience, but it's just closer to the city of Jakarta. So also this shop is new. Last month they didn't have it, and the ATM center isn't open. It's not done yet. The A&W was there last month. I think the massage, I didn't see this one last month. So there are, I think, 3 or 4 new shops opened. I'm sorry, they always have this shop. Last month they also have it. Nothing changed a lot here. Oh well, the Starbucks is new. I didn't saw it last month. We ate at this place also last month. They already have it. And those coffee, we had a coffee there. The bookstore is already there. So this is that airport. It's quite big, really big. The view is also look nice. You can see far away there is the sea, the South Sea. I'll show you the sea first. Have an entertainment now. It's a traditional Japanese dance. Further away there is a gate where we far away there is a gate that we are going to take. So we are flying with Garuda Indonesia again, and this shop and restaurant already been there, like you can say Pasar Malam. you see the airport is big and look nice.
Yeah, I'm having a blast. Day I woke up, spitting the facts. I'm taking it back.
Quality is also
Ain't setting
just
out
like
the gift from the
international
bad. While focus on the
airport
things
quality.
they got nothing to add. After all,
toilets.
I'm at a place I
Well,
never
last
thought I'd
month
get.
toilet is
We got a
not
whole life
clean,
ahead.
So I hope they
That's sad.
change
I'ma just live till I'm dead.
standard of cleaning.
Let's go. I think we're gonna have a wonderful time.
And this part is, as you can see, the Concordia Lounge. Well, we can go here with our American Express card, but I don't want to use the possibility to go to this airport lounge. I prefer to go to a bigger airport lounge, which probably a better service. We're almost at the end of this airfield. So there's the other parts. It's not been used yet. Yeah, and then there will be other part of the airport at the end, but I think I'll show you everything. And the other part of the airport is, you know, the other side is just the same, just gates, just a long corridor with gates. A boogie. So yeah guys, thank you for watching for this quick introduction of the Yogyakarta International Airport in Kulon Progo.
Feeling so blessed. Took a whole lot away from my back, and I've learned to embrace where I'm at. That's my flex. We can just sit and wait for the best, but no need to stress. And once you realize that, there's no stopping you from, well, the best. I think we're gonna have a wonderful time, and I haven't felt like this in a while. I think we're gonna have a wonderful time. So just smile and clear up your mind.